My friend Sheikh Zayeb. Where is the Sheikh of Abu Dhabi?
I asked him to take his place today. He asked me to send you his regards. He is a good man. Donald, this is my son, Khalifa.
Hello, Khalifa.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. President.
That's a very firm handshake, Khalifa. How did you lose the challenge to big boy Julio? I saw everything on TV.
I didn't lose anything. He didn't want to do another challenge. He chickened out.
Khalifa, watch how you talk to Mr. Trump. He's our guest of honor. He will increase tariffs on the UAE because of you.
It's okay, Sheikh. This kid reminds me of my early days. Full energy with a tough mind.
Okay. Let's go to my palace, shall we? We have many business to discuss.
I'll meet you there. I'll be taking my motorcade.
There is no need for the motorcade. You come with me. I have a surprise for you. I'm sure you'll love it. Let's go. Donald, what happened to your face?
I don't know. Let me check. I guess I got a sunburn. This place is too hot for me.
It's the start of summer.
You should have come in the winter. Now we can't go out for a shawarma. But at night, we can go. I'll take you to my favorite local restaurant.
Khalifa, Donald and I need to talk business. Tomorrow, he's leaving the country. He has no time to go out for a shawarma.
Why not, Dad? I want to go out with Donald Trump.
Perhaps another time, son. Let's get ready for lunch now.
Mia, thanks for coming to see me.
Julie, did you know that Khalifa is with Trump?
Yes, I did.
Why didn't you tell me anything?
I just didn't see the need.
I need to see him urgently.
Why?
Because the IRS is after me. They want to take my money.
Oh, that's not good.
Donald is a good friend of mine. But he is not allowed to answer his phone now. The Secret Service told me this. We need to go to see him right now.
But they are in Abu Dhabi, not in Dubai.
Abu Dhabi is not far from here.
Who is going to drive us there?
We need to find someone quickly.
Lucinda, what's going on here?
Rajesh wanted a proper introduce to Mia.
Who is Rajesh?
I'm Rajesh. I saw you on the TV. I'm a huge fan of your work. I'm following you on TikTok. I just wanted to get to know you a little better.
Rajesh, do you drive?
Yes, I do. My car is parked outside.
I need you to take me to Abu Dhabi. Can you do that for me?
Of course. It will be my pleasure.
Mia, if we're going to the palace, we need to get changed.
But I didn't bring anything. We don't have time to go to Palm Jumeirah.
Don't worry. I have the proper clothes for the occasion.
All right. Let's go, everyone.
So, Mia, where are we exactly going?
To the palace of the Sheikh.
Oh no. I don't think I'm allowed to enter there. I'm not properly dressed. I need to get home and get changed as well.
Rajesh, I don't have time for this. I need to see President Trump urgently. I have an important matter to discuss with him.
Rajesh, today you just act like our private driver.
Okay. I just wanted to meet Mr. Donald John Trump.
I'll talk to him and see what he can do.
Thank you, Mia.
Now speed up, will you?
I told you not to come back without Mia, didn't I?
Mia is still in Dubai. But I believe she will be back in the US. She's having problem with the law.
She went to see President Donald Trump. This could delay the start of the game. Our men are in position and the public is waiting. But now, I want you to do something else. I have a very important mission for you. I'll tell you everything you need to know. Listen carefully.
Today, it's going to be an amazing day. I can feel it. I need to turn my life around. Rose will regret breaking up with me. Something big needs to happen. I'll be stronger than ever. Let's get to work.
My dear friend Donald Trump, I want to bring prosperity for my people. Can you cut the tariffs down to 0?
Habibi, I cannot do that. I didn't impose reciprocal tariffs on the UAE. And I want to sign a $200 billion deal with you. We're going to build a massive AI center complex. We're going to make history.
This is truly some great news. $200 billion is not a lot, but I'll accept that. I'm happy we're talking business. I need to introduce you to my good friend Sheikh Abdullah.
What do you think you're doing? You cannot come here. This is the Sheikh Palace.
Habibi, I'm just a private driver. I came to drop Mia Millionaire Life.
And who is me Millionaire Life?
It's one of the ladies at the back.
Please, before anything happens, move your car back.
Okay, Habibi.
I'm not your Habibi. Be careful with me.
I'm really sorry. I was just trying to be polite.
Habibi, how come you don't remember me? We met at the airport.
I don't remember you.
It's because I'm wearing different clothes. You were deporting Mr. Thomas.
And who is Mr. Thomas?
The fat man.
Oh yes, now I remember you.
So, I need to enter this palace. I need to talk to President Trump. He is a good friend of mine.
No one is allowed inside the palace.
Officer, my boyfriend is Sheikh Khalifa. I know Sheikha Fatima and Sheikh Zayeb. You need to let us in.
Coming here wasn't a good idea.
I agree with you. We can get in real trouble for this.
Guys, we need to calm down. We cannot show fear. We're not doing anything wrong. Everything is under control.
If something happens, I'll say it was your idea.
But this was Mia's idea. And we were all on board with this.
But it was you who wanted to be introduced.
Okay. I will let you go in. Good luck.
Thank you so much. You're the best.
It looks like the officer let them in.
You cannot be parked here. Go park somewhere else.
Okay, Habibi.
Stop calling me Habibi.
Julie, what are you doing here with Mia? We're in the middle of an important meeting.
Khalifa, Mia has to talk to Donald Trump.
And what is it about?
Hi, Mr. President. It's me, Mia Millionaire Life.
I remember you. You're the TikTok influencer who called me. What's the issue this time?
The IRS wants my TikTok money. It's not a lot, but they still want it.
Well, Mia, I can't do anything about it. The country owes trillions of dollars. We need all the money we can get our hands on.
But Donald, this is totally unfair. I don't get to make lots of money.
Mia, I already did you a favor. I did not ban TikTok yet. You're still able to make a living.
I'm so disappointed in you, Donald.
Mia, you need to leave this room.
Sheikh Abdullah, can you do something about it?
Mia, you have to leave now. I'll call the guards.
It's okay. I'm leaving. Let's go, Julie.
Mia,
Yes, Mr. President.
let's make America great again.
Mia, did you get what you wanted?
No, I didn't. Now, I need to go to Miami to see the IRS officer. I will have to leave tomorrow.
Oh, that's sad. We're going to miss you.
Thank you for the hospitality, Sheikh Zayeb.
It was my pleasure, Mr. President. Thank you for all the business we've done. And sorry about the whole Mia situation.
Don't worry about it. See you next time. Goodbye, Sheikh Khalifa. It was an honor meeting you.
The honor was mine, Mr. President.
Don't be upset about Big Boy Julio.